Guys, actually the problem is like in Chennai it's heavily raining. I got a small gap wherein I'll be able to escape Chennai, so then I decided to start immediately. Actually I'm supposed to start my ride day before yesterday, but due to rain I was not able. But then today surprisingly I had one of my friends' marriage coming up in Bangalore, so I had to leave right away. So that is when I decided to start this ride, get out of this place immediately right away. So that is what I'm planning to do. So I'm starting my ride from Chennai, and you would have already seen how Chennai is in my previous video. So that is what we are going to do. Okay, water level is really high, extremely high.
Gemini Motor Vlogs.
Then what happens is I'll not be able to ride in water because like you wouldn't believe that half of my bike is going in, but if I'm going to stay here I'll not be able to continue my ride because I'm already losing hope. So, taking rest, long rest will lead to. Yesterday this place was completely filled up. I mean half of the car was already in, but today luckily it is a little bit cleared up. But even then, please note that it was heavily raining from night, and this is how it is today. Okay, so the reason for my visit to Hyderabad, the Hyderabad visit, let me tell you about Hyderabad visit. Right now Hyderabad is so afraid of omnivirus, which is a new variant of COVID which is coming up there. 2 Africans have tested positively, so they have been kept in government quarantine so far. So from yesterday Karnataka people are so much afraid. Outsiders are supposed to hold an RT-PCR in case if they come from Maharashtra, Kerala and all the states, but I'm not sure about Tamil Nadu because I'm going from Tamil Nadu right now. I don't know how well this ride would go around. In case if they're going to stop in the entrance of the state, then I don't know what to do because I'm completely loaded up and I cannot pack all these things. It's really pathetic situation right now. My friend who has invited me for this marriage, because he is my classmate, and it's been very long time that I have met, and he didn't even know that I'm in Chennai, so he missed informing me. But all of a sudden I just called up. Luckily I called up one of my friend yesterday, and they said, bro, we are just leaving to Bangalore, and how is Hyderabad? That is what they asked, and I said, bro, I'm not in Hyderabad, I'm in Chennai, bro. What's up? That is what I said. And then usually we speak in our regional language, that is Tamil. That is how we speak. Just for your understanding, I'm trying to translate in English. So there are a lot of Tamil viewers here. Welcome to my channel. And so all of you guys, you are all welcome to this alien planet. This is how Chennai looks when it is raining. Okay. And my friend, he called me, and I told him like, bro, it is raining. Yesterday afternoon it was not like this. The situation was not like this. They didn't know about coronavirus, and yesterday evening all of a sudden news started to flash in, and that is when people are so much afraid. And today morning I just saw one more message which says that those people who are infected with the coronavirus, they are not actually infected with what you call this omnivirus. They are infected with the Delta variant. That is what it has been identified out of research. Anyway, I have to go to Bangalore, so I would definitely go ahead and utilize this time, so then I'll be able to meet my long time no-see friends. So that is why I'm going to meet them. We are going to meet a lot of my classmates. Some of you guys would also definitely know these guys. Watch this vlog. In case you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. And this is a Vadapalni bridge. Actually very long time I'm coming to Chennai, and I was not able to move out of Chennai because of heavy rain for past 3 days or 4 days. It was completely drowned. Chennai was completely drowned. People are nowadays used to it because like they have seen lots of trouble, demonetization, flood, again rain, lot of things they have experienced. Now Chennai people are so much strong, and they are ready to face anything which is going to upcome. So calling me, I'll just pick up this call. 1 minute. Enna seri na Bangalore poitirga kalambita.
அண்ணா இது அப்படி வைங்கண்ணா அப்படி சும்மா வச்சிருங்க கீழே டேங்க் ஃபுல் பண்ணிருங்க கார்டு இருக்குல்ல ஆமாண்ணா பெங்களூர் ரோடு எப்படி இருக்கா ஏதாவது கேள்விப்பட்டீங்களா 1000 ரூபாயில் நிறுத்திக்கோங்க காட்டுங்க எனக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி 1000 ரூபா போட்டு பிடிவாதமாக இங்கே தான் போடுவேன் நிற்கிறாரு பின்னாடி
நீங்க எந்த ஊரு தூத்துக்குடியா உங்க ஸ்லாங் பார்த்தாலே தெரியும்.
When I took the helmet off for filling up the petrol, GoPro mic got disconnected, and after this, voice did not get recorded for a few hours. But I kept on vlogging thinking that the mic is working.
This is how my ride is. Had my tea, small breakfast of masal vada, and then I got one Aqua 7 Hills water bottle. Okay, so this is how it is going to be. It's totally raining. I don't know how good my ride is going to be. Stored my water bottle there. See, the side stand extender actually is really good. What happens is when it is normal without any luggage, it is okay. மாப்ள ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். அங்கே வந்து நீ போலீஸ் அடி வாங்கணும் உனக்கு ரொம்ப நாளாச்சு என்ன மாட்டு. அப்படியா என்னவோ தெரியல நான் கிளம்பிட்டேன் பார்த்துக்கலாம் என்ன வருதோ பார்க்கலாம். ஆர்டிபிசிஆர் எடுக்க சொன்னால் அங்கேயே அவன் எடுக்கணும் விடணும்ல. ஓகே But I was talking about the side stand extender, right? The side stand extender is really cool. Like when you have no weight or when the bike is less weight. Oh my god, this bugger is showering my bike and my helmet and my camera. I have to get away from these guys. Okay, when you don't have weight, you don't have any problem. I'm able to put side stand all the place without any issues. But when I have weight, then it is becoming really tough for me to put side stand because I don't know what side stand has been installed. When I asked for a side stand extender at V-Gears, this is what they gave me. But oh my god, showering water from back tire. Kilometer is 4561 is what I have completed so far. It is not even 5 kilometers or something. I started to feel a little bit of numbness or butt pain. Hopefully I need to travel for another 5 hours 44 minutes, that is around 6 hours. I don't know how I'm going to manage. I'm so afraid of Bangalore because like traffic cops would catch me for everything because I have fog lamp installed, I have panniers, top box, tail bag. I don't know what they're going to tell me. And a camera mount on my chin. Hope my lens is clear. I need to clean my lens, but my lens cleaning cloth is inside. I would not be able to open it now, and I need to charge my mobile. In case if it is going to be wireless charging, then it'd be nice. Now I don't have a wireless charging. Why GoPro and iPhone is not coming up with this kind of concrete solution? GoPro should come up with some wireless mic so that we'll not be able to worry about this waterproofing and all these things. GoPro should really think about it, but definitely they would not do it because they are getting $1 million business with that mic adapter. So they are not going to worry about all these things. They are not going to think about our convenience because already he is into business. If GoPro is startup, then he would definitely think about bringing out something new. He is a big giant in action camera industry. Okay, that's how it goes. Actually, I'm kind of listening to all 90s Maxi Dance hits because I'm totally excited, not only because of motovlogging in the rain. Like I'm going to meet all my buddies, my college mate, after very long time, and I'm going to spend a lot of time with them. Maybe one day or something I'll definitely spend time with them, so I'll have enough time to speak a lot about our thing. So these guys are not only my buddies, actually they are very close to me. They know in and out of me and I know in and out of them. They are very close to me, so I'm so happy about it. So I will reach Karnataka safe without any problem because of this rain or anything. Just now the rain slightly stopped, but then again it started. This bugger, I don't know what looking at, is not moving out of my way. So that is what I'm so excited about. That is why I am taking so much risk and I wanted to go for this wedding. Hope I would have a Bangalore. Bro. Starting my ride back. I was hoping that rain would stop for some time, but still not going to stop. I don't like to waste any time, so I'm just starting my ride back again. Not even completed 100 kilometers, taken too many breaks.
This is the last footage I have ever captured on my GoPro. After this, my GoPro died because of water damage.
I'm actually not sure what the problem is. My GoPro Hero 9 stopped working. My GoPro Hero 9 stopped working. My GoPro Hero 9 stopped working. You see, water is seeping in. Just now I have noticed this. Though I have made a lot of thing like this, but still the water is seeping in like this. I think it's died. Not sure what the problem is. that my GoPro is not turning on. Even then I tried changing different batteries, but still it is not working. I think my GoPro is dead. But anyhow I have to vlog, so then I have mounted my... So then anyhow I have to vlog, so I have mounted my Insta360 1 hour 360 edition, because my 4K mod is at home, and this is how I'm going to vlog. I don't know how it is going to work, but stay with me guys, stay tuned. Let's see how it works. You know what, actually after Ranipet the road seems to be good. It's still raining. Until Ranipet the road is really bad, really bad. I just stopped here for tea, and I hope I'll be reaching Bangalore by destination by in another 1 hour 24 minutes. Now the kilometer is 4814 p.m. and the expected time of arrival for the destination is 3:14 p.m. Hope we'll reach fast as you can. Still not at Hosur. Bannerghatta Road, right here? I am in Bannerghatta Main Road. There is a toll which they ask 15 rupees, and right now the kilometer is 4877, and it says another 15 minutes more to reach my destination. Let's wait and see.
Are you Umar?
Yeah, I'm on. So guys, if you look at it, here's my bike park, and this is the room. It looks stunning. This is inside the forest, and if you go inside, this is how it is. It is very nice. There are around 4 guys who are staying, who are going to stay with me. So that is why they have given some 2 more bed extra. Since it is a wedding thing, they'll have to accommodate all these things. So this is the toilet, restroom. It's completely clean, neat. You have a heater. It's good, guys.
நாடி எங்கும் ஏதோ நாத வெள்ளமோடும் நீ போடு பாட்டு.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here. Know the score, you took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. YouTube. What's the last? Ah!
100 guys.
Hi, Guna, happy married life.
Guda. Happy birthday. Happy married life.
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't